Good morning. Hope you are all doing good. I know it's been a long time since I made a video. Actually, I have become busy since I've joined a new company. I had to spend some time to understand the domain. I know it's been really been a long time. Actually, I was working in the weekends too. I know I advise you people a lot, saying that it should not be work alone. You should have your me time. But this time failed. Because of that, I have gained 3 kgs, and you can see the impact on my face. I have got pimples too. So I thought I will take a break. So as this is puja time, I'm Bengali, so for this Durga Puja, I have taken 2 days leave. Like it's 3 days for traveling. Also, I have taken. So I thought, okay, now let me focus on my health too, because I know it's getting worse. I have PCOD issue, so I should really be careful, so that my health issue shouldn't increase. So I thought I'll take a break. I'll make a video too today. And people, I want you people to know that I have applied something herbal on my hair. So you might think, you might feel like something is sticking to my head. That is nothing but some hibiscus flowers. Okay, now let me take you to my room. Actually, it's empty. Don't mind. Wait. It's like we didn't furnish it yet. Okay, this is my room. Actually, I've taken this, but as of now, nothing is here. And let me take you inside. This is hall. Actually, this is first floor. This is hall, and this is restroom. This is my room. There is other two rooms here. Don't mind that things are stuffed because it's not fully furnished. This is my storeroom kind of something. Like as painting work is going on, they have stuffed things here, and this is like a different view. You can say kind of heaven. Like my house is surrounded by fields, so it's like I feel sometimes it's heavenly, and my eyes know it's a treat for my eyes to watch these things. I will take you to the upstairs. Okay, this is our house upstairs. Don't you feel this really? It's heavenly to stay near such place. But during summer season, you will die out of heat. This is my house upstairs, from view from upstairs. Okay, this is tulsi plant. You may not see the full view. I'll show you the full view also. This is solar light. I think my brother has set all this thing. This is evening time. We have come outside of our house. Sorry that I cannot take you all through the fields, as I have to get ready for evening puja. Like it's a Dasara time, right? So I'll be getting ready by now. Now that you can see, I've drawn mehendi on my hands. Now I will go just change my dress and will get ready for puja. Hi guys, I'm all set to go to my puja celebrations. This is what I'm wearing for my puja, but it's a bit loose because I bought from Myntra. But when I checked, it was fine. I don't know, it's like not fitting properly now. But still, I love this dress. So I'll be going for puja now. I have no other go because I only bought this for my puja. I have come for only 1 week, so I thought why to bring so much luggage. So I'll be going like this. So see you later. This is just a glimpse of my village puja. Now that we have came back to our house, but it's late, so good night as of now. Hi guys, good morning. I'm going to my sister's place now. Actually, yesterday we were quite busy, so that we were busy with puja preparation, so that I didn't get time to visit my sister. I'm going to visit my sister now, so I'll be riding. I'll get back to you once I reach there. We have reached my sister's place now, so I'll be getting inside. I will not be shooting any video inside. Yes, I reached my sister's place now. They have served us with snacks. After having this, we will be going for puja celebrations. Yes, we have come to see puja. Like we will be going to 3 more places. This is the second place. Actually, there is no much crowd because it's Corona time, right? So crowd is less. This is the third place. Like we are on Pujo spree, so we are watching in 2-3 places. Now it's already late, so we'll go have dinner and then we'll sleep and we'll get back to you in the morning. Good night. Now we are all the way back to our home from my sister's place. So once I reach there, I will get back to you. We have ridden back to our home. It's going to be raining today, so I thought I will capture this on my video, like on my phone. I will take you to the upstairs to show. Woohoo! So cool. ஆட இருடா எல்லா வியூ நல்லா தான் இருக்கும். எப்படி போனேன் அட பாவி விழுந்துருவாள். ஹாய் my bro, with my bro. We are planning to go outside somewhere to our relative's house. Like the whole family has gathered today. Like my sister also come here. So we are planning to go out now. So we'll be driving today, and that is the car, and that we will be going. So we'll get back to you once after reaching there. Bye bye.
உங்க ஃபோன் ஃபோன் சொல்லுங்க. உங்க அதுல ஃபோன் பண்ணுங்க. நம்பர் கொடுங்க.
Sorry guys, we are having power cut in our relative's house, but this is the snacks. Now just we have returned back from our relative's house. We'll be doing pre-birthday celebrations for my dad. So because we are leaving soon, so we thought we'll celebrate it today. We are just waiting for our dad to come so that we can cut the cake. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear daddy. Happy birthday to you. Tuga.